Welcome to the world of Mercedes-Benz. This is the G63 luxury meets unstoppable power. Its iconic design commands attention, while the interior redefines sophistication. This is the Mercedes-Benz G63. It's unmistakable. From the signature grille to the sculpted lines, every detail speaks to its superior craftsmanship and performance. This is the G63 luxury meets unstoppable power. Its iconic design commands attention, while the interior redefines sophistication. The Mercedes-Benz G63 commands attention with its iconic design and raw power. Welcome to the Mercedes-Benz showroom. Let's explore the G63. Cockpit offers seamless control, pure luxury.